Hi, class. Today I want to talk to you about understanding the relationship between scatter plots and tables to determine patterns. A scatter plot is a graphical representation displaying the relationship between two quantitative variables. Each point on the plot represents an observation's values for the two variables. A data table is a structured arrangement of data in rows and columns. It facilitates the organization and the analysis of information. The relationship: data tables provide the raw numerical values, while scatter plots visualize these values, making it easier to identify patterns, trends, or correlations between the variables. So, in nursing, consider a study examining the relationship between patients' ages and their systolic blood pressure readings. A data table lists each patient's age and the corresponding blood pressure. Plotting the data on a table, from the table, plotting the data on a scatter plot allows nurses to visually assess whether blood pressure tends to increase with age, aiding in patient assessments and care planning because they found the pattern so they can apply stuff faster. That's really all there is to it. I'm going to be talking a lot this week about this area of stats. It's like totally outside of hypothesis testing and everything we've been building toward. It's a very important part of stats, but it's like a standalone. But we're going to be talking about how we can, in future posts that I'm making, we're going to be talking about how um, statistics can allow us to make correlations between variables, and understanding that a correlation doesn't necessarily mean causation. And so, getting the difference between these two is really important. And what we're building to, even as we get to that, is going to be linear regression, and that's just being able to look at a bunch of data that's on a scatter plot and then draw a best fit line. And with a best fit line, we can now make predictions based on one thing to get another because you go to the best fit line to get it. So it's actually pretty cool. At any rate, I'll see y'all later this week and we'll keep on trucking. Take care. Bye bye.